Welcome to our guide on Perimeter Patrol temporary fencing. Let's explore the components and installation process. Our panels are easy to handle, making them quick to unload and move into position. For ultimate protection, your Perimeter Patrol pallet is delivered to you with security banding that needs to be cut before first use, and fully wrapped to prevent metal against metal contact during transportation. For safety purposes, grab a buddy to help unload the panels and position them on level ground. First, let's look at the base plate. The bottom tubing that goes into the base plate is double-lined for extra strength. Next, we secure the panels with clamps. 2 clamps are needed to secure each panel to one another. The bottom of each panel is secured by the base plate. For additional security, make sure to install the nut of the clamp on the event access side of the perimeter fencing to lower the risk and prevent unauthorized access. For added security, we use the no-climb accessory. It requires a connector, which can be angled or straight up, and is secured mid-width with a clamp. Here's a tip. Tip down the panel to easily attach the no-climb accessory and middle clamp. As you install the panel hinge for the optional wheelgate kit accessory, you will notice that the hinge side has some play within the hinge. This is normal and prevents binding of the opening gate panel. The wheel kit allows for easy movement of panels. Let's see how it works. Watch how smoothly the panel opens and closes with the wheel kit. For field installations, 30-inch ground spikes are available. Before use, please be sure that you have checked with Digger's Hotline or your local municipality for underground wires or pipes before installing. Our fencing is also compatible with windscreens that are 5 feet high. In very windy areas, sandbags or heavy rocks might be required if not using ground spikes. Now let's install a linear fence. This setup is perfect for straightforward perimeter control. Remember, you'll need an extra base plate for the loose end. Our Perimeter Patrol temporary fencing system is quick and easy to install. The panels are easy to move, and the system's versatility ensures it meets all your security needs. It provides a secure and flexible solution for any site. Thank you for watching our guide on Perimeter Patrol temporary fencing. Our fencing system is versatile. Let's see Perimeter Patrol in action. Now that we have shown you how to install Perimeter Patrol, we'd like to recap with a few FAQs to better further your understanding of the product and the ways you can sell its features.
How does Perimeter Patrol differ from other fencing solutions offered by Jewett-Cameron Fence?
Perimeter Patrol stands out as a flexible and temporary fencing solution designed for easy mobility and storage. It's particularly effective for managing events and controlling crowds, offering a versatile alternative to more permanent fencing options.
Is Perimeter Patrol suitable for all types of terrain and weather conditions?
Absolutely. Perimeter Patrol is built to withstand various environmental conditions thanks to its 2-stage powder coating process. This treatment helps to prevent weathering and corrosion, ensuring the fence's longevity across different terrains and weather scenarios.
What are the maintenance requirements for Perimeter Patrol?
Maintaining Perimeter Patrol fencing is straightforward. We recommend keeping the panels clean of dirt and debris to preserve their appearance and functionality. When the fencing is not in use, storing it indoors will help extend its life by protecting it from the elements. If needed, treating any corrosion with a Rust-Oleum brand touch-up spray paint on any scratches or chips can prevent future rusting. For black, use color code number 7770 And for yellow, use color code number 7747.
What sizes and colors do the panels come in?
Our Perimeter Patrol panels are finished with a durable powder coating in vibrant yellow and black, offering both aesthetic appeal and high visibility. Each panel measures 6 feet high by 7.5 feet wide, with custom colors available and optional.
What are the steps for dismantling and storing Perimeter Patrol panels?
Dismantling and storing Perimeter Patrol panels is a straightforward process, best done with 2 people. If no climb extensions are used, remove these first. Then one person should take one side of the panel, lifting it from the bases. It's important to store the panels, bases, and any accessories indoors to protect them from weathering, ensuring they remain in good condition for future use.
Why would I choose Perimeter Patrol panels over chain link fencing?
First, Perimeter Patrol fencing panels are more attractive and colorful, making them ideal for more upscale settings. Perimeter Patrol fencing will be more stable on uneven surfaces or non-paved surfaces. The 2x4 welded wire panels are not only more visually appealing than the chain link mesh, but they are also easier on the hands. And with self-contained storage pallets available, these fencing panels are much easier to store than rolls of chain link fence.
How do I create an entrance area?
Swing gate wheels are available. Simply insert a swing gate wheel instead of a traditional base at the bottom of a panel, and you'll create a fence panel which can open and close like a gate.
Can Perimeter Patrol be installed and secured on uneven surfaces?
We recommend that you scout the terrain prior for the space that you will be installing our Perimeter Patrol temporary fencing and identify uneven surfaces prior to installation. For the uneven surfaces, we recommend that you level the base plates with wood blocks or sandbags to ensure that fence panels are squared up to properly install security clamps. This will ensure that the panels will not tip.